Oh, you're reading Richard Cook's new novel.
Right. Have you read this book?
Yes, I loved it. How do you like it so far?
Wake up, James. It's 8 o'clock. You're going to be late for school.
Don't worry, Mom. It only takes 10 minutes by bike.
Did you forget? Your bike is in the repair shop.
Oh no, another traffic jam. We might be late for the concert.
Don't worry. Once we get around this corner, it'll be okay.
I hope so. How much time do we have before the show starts?
Excuse me, I bought this book here last week, but there is a problem with it.
What's the problem?
Look here. Some of the pages were not printed.
Jack, have you read the book The Great Gatsby?
Sure. I read it in my literature class last year.
How did you like reading it?
Judy, have you been to the new restaurant near City Hall?
Yes, I went there last weekend. I love that place.
Oh, really? Why do you like it?
Jason, are you making your daily schedule for vacation?
Yes, Mom, but I haven't decided what to do before breakfast.
Well, I'd like to suggest doing some exercise.
It smells good. What are you cooking, honey?
I've made an apple pie for you.
Oh, really? Can I try a piece?
How did the science test go, Susan?
I'm afraid I failed it.
Why? You studied really hard for the test. Who is the girl next to you in this picture?
She is Sophie, one of my friends.
You two look very close. How did you first meet each other?
Thank you so much for the help with my computer yesterday.
Oh, it was nothing. It only took me 10 minutes.
No, it meant a lot to me. I'd like to treat you to dinner or something.
Did you go to the yoga class at the community center yesterday?
Yes, I did, but I don't think that class is right for me.
Why do you think that?
Chris, did you hear that there will be a Latin jazz concert at Town Hall?
Yeah, I have a ticket. I'm going this Friday.
Wow, how did you get it? I heard tickets sold out in just 10 minutes.
Hi, Daniel. You look so happy. What's up?
I got this bicycle from my uncle for my birthday present.
Wow, it's awesome. Can I ride it?
Cindy, I heard you have a job interview this afternoon.
Yes, Dave. Can you give me some advice?
Sure. Smile to make a good first impression.